are going to love the 2015 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, body color door handles, lumbar support, power tilting steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.